Okay, this is a cool bicep exercise called bicep 21's, and I'm going to be using a barbell for it. So what I need you to do is imagine that if you put your arms straight out in front of you with a 90-degree angle in your elbow, remember this height. So it should be roughly as high as your bottom rib in your rib cage. You'll see why that's important in just a second. Now I'm going to set up just like a regular barbell bicep curl, and I'm remembering that height, that line that I just drew, about the height of my rib cage, my bottom rib. And I'm going to do a half bicep curl up to that line, and I'm going to take it back down. That's one. I'm going to take it back up, and then right back down. That's two. It's called 21's because we're going to do 21 repetitions. So there's going to be 7 repetitions that go up to touch that bottom rib and then back down. After doing those 7 repetitions, we're going to take the bar all the way up, and this time I'm going to lower it down just to that same height that we just looked at, and then take it right back up for 1, and then repeat it, 2, and then we're going to go all the way to 7 reps. After 7 repetitions there, we're going to do a full barbell bicep curl. And like I always teach, we want to think about elbows being locked at our sides. So when we're doing those full repetitions, notice that my elbows aren't swaying forward and back. Chest is nice and tall, no bend in the knees. Exhale as we curl up. Inhale as we take the bar down. And after 21 repetitions, your biceps are going to be spent. That's called barbell bicep 21.